Yeah, it's going.
Yeah!
Woohoo! Bruh. Oh, I was like kind of facing.
We got a red light.
Yeah.
Alright.
This is fun.
Sorry.
Tell me when we should end the video.
You want to stop it?
No. You're like, do you want to stop it? I'm like, no. Look at the nice view. Park.
Yeah.
Don't crash. Blech. We should put this on the GoPro, right?
Yeah. I think we might be getting up towards Central Park now. We're gonna have to low battery, dock your bike at the station at the end of your ride.
Could we hop on another one? Because this is really fun. I don't want to get off.
Yeah, can I see the phone? Alright, this is West 10th Street. Okay, cool, alright. I was looking... We do gotta find a place to dock this. It's saying low battery.
Like, we just have to put it in and take it back out and then it's good?
Oh, this guy's... We're gonna get yelled at. We're gonna get yelled at. Nope.
I didn't think we were going to get yelled at.
Well, I saw them slow down.
Oh, really? If we do get yelled at, we'll just say, oh, we didn't read the directions, sorry. That's what I would say to you. Oh, go on the other one. We thought they were gonna kind of yell at us. Bro, they're like right there. That's a really cool bike. They're like playing music.